All right, good afternoon, everyone. David here from Storm Team 5. We're live on YouTube, also on Twitter. We are doing some severe weather coverage here. Also have the National Weather Service chat pulled up finally. Finally got that to work. So you guys will hear a lot of dingings in the background. Hopefully you heard that. But again, some new notifications coming out. Nothing new at this time. So anyways, I hope you're having a fantastic afternoon. It is 3 o'clock in the Central Time Zone, 4 o'clock Eastern Mountain Time. It's 2 and it's 1 in the Pacific Time Zone right now. And again, hopefully you're having a great day. Okay, nothing new alert-wise, so it's fantastic. All right, again, if you have any questions, comments, want to say hi, feel free to say it in the chat. You guys may do so. Hello, Suli. Yes, you are. You're the first commenter on the broadcast today on our YouTube side. And it's very hot where you're at, or it probably is very hot where you're at. I know many parts of Arizona are seeing very hot temperatures where it's like 110. Isn't it like 110 today in Phoenix, Arizona? Hot over there. But anyways, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. And again, I'm just making sure all my notifications are working perfectly fine so I don't miss any weather alerts. No, it's me, little. Yeah. Okay, so let's see here. Nothing new. Looks like a small craft advisory got issued. That is in. I'm not sure that's at Louisiana, maybe. Michigan, Minnesota. Okay. Nothing new. Okay. So again, testing. I have a new alert system, so I'm testing, make sure it's working and actually getting right notifications, and I am. New marine weather statement of 4:03 Eastern. Okay. All right. Yes. So again, I apologize if I'm going back and forth looking at this and looking at YouTube and stuff for our stream. All right. Yes, indeed, but very dry, no humidity. I love it, but the water is like ice. Oh wow. At least there's no humidity. Again, I'm in Texas, and it's hot. It's 106 right now, according to my weather station, and it's very humid outside. So it's not fun at all. All right. So again, if you guys have questions, comments, stuff like that, feel free to say it in the chat. But yeah, let's get a move on, I guess, with our live stream. Hopefully you guys can see it. Is my screen, how I have the radar, my camera, is that fine? You guys like it right there? Or should I make it closer or make it zoomed in more? I don't know. Let me know what you guys want. I have family in Louisiana and Mississippi. Hope the weather doesn't go that way. Yeah, again, it's very hot over there as well. Very humid too. All right. So once again, we're tracking severe weather. This is in Nebraska, central Nebraska, if I'm correct, or north central Nebraska. 2 severe warnings right now, also a mesoscale discussion. This was concerning you had a severe thunderstorm watch, and that did happen. So here we go. Severe thunderstorm warning for east central Cherry County until 3:30 Central Time for ping-pong-sized hail. A severe storm is located 15 miles northeast of Brownlee, 27 miles southwest of Answorth, moving east at 20 miles per hour. So if you know anyone towards Highway 83, a mile marker is 173 and 179. And in that Cherry County area, they're experiencing a severe storm with the potential for ping-pong-sized hail. And then we have another severe warning on top of the radar site for Thomas County till 3:15 for golf ball-sized hail, possibly. And this is radar indicated. Also, you could be injured from this storm too, so make sure you are staying indoors if you are in the Threadford area. And new special weather statements got issued for Carbon County in Utah until it doesn't have a time on my thing here. I'll add until 2:45 Mountain Time, 3:45 Central. All right. Right now it's 3:06 Central. So again, that's the latest on that severe warning. Now, again, today's severe weather threats, mainly focusing in Nebraska, but this will also go into Kansas. We also have a new severe weather update every 3 o'clock on a day 1 outlook. We have a new update. A new strong storm advisory or strong storm alert for Humboldt County until 1:30 Pacific time. Okay, so again, we have a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk of severe weather from Kansas, northwestern Missouri, into Nebraska, and even portions of Iowa under a level 3 threat to severe weather. But again, this will be the bullseye or the main area where I expect severe weather, where I expect more of the damaging winds, the hail threat, and maybe a tornado. Again, the best tornado threat is actually where there's currently some severe warnings, which is something we are watching. Also, the worst wind conditions could be from Kansas City overland to Topeka, all the way through Omaha, going into Grand Island. An avalanche. Oh, nice. Well, not really nice, but dang. New severe warning for Elko and White Pine counties in Nevada. Oh no, it expired. My bad. It expired. And then here's your hail threat today. The worst of the hail could be where we're tracking today's main severe weather threat. Again, our main severe weather threat as of right now is mainly in Nebraska, but again, I expect it to go further south into into Kansas and Missouri later on. So we did have some severe warnings, and we still do have one severe thunderstorm warning in the West Palm Beach area right now, north of Fort Lauderdale. This is barely a severe warning, but it is a severe warning for central Palm Beach County until 4:15 Eastern, 3:15 Central, 60 mile per hour wind gusts and some penny-sized hail with it. They're monitoring a strong storm right behind it for Palm Beach and Henry counties until 4:30 for 40 mile per hour winds and pea-sized hail. And then we have a continuing on with a severe warning for White Pine, Nevada, until 1:15 Pacific time. Okay. So again, that's the latest on warnings in Florida right now. Any else happening in the East Coast? Okay, there is. There's one severe warning that has gotten out of New York, is now more into Vermont right now. Severe warning, low grade one. This is just a random little storm that has developed, but you can see it on radar. Decent hail core with it. So let me read some information to y'all. Severe warning for Addison, Washington. And if I skip a county name, it's because I can't pronounce it, and I'll be super embarrassed if I pronounced it wrong. So I'm not going to be trying to pronounce the city names because I'm going to mess it up. So again, that's why I pull up the information on screen so you could read the counties yourself if you want. So again, severe warning until 4:45 Eastern. Okay, new severe warning for El Paso County in Colorado. And then a gusty outflow boundary has been developed for Martin County through 4:45 p.m. Also for, I can't pronounce that county name, Fulton, Montgomery counties in New York, and that would be winds up to 40 miles per hour. And again, we're currently doing an update in the Vermont area in New York. Let me see if I can see the outflow boundary in New York. Again, new special weather statement got issued for a few counties in New York. Let's see, as a pop up, it's being a little slow today. Reports of a golf ball size hail in Nebraska. Public just reported it. So again, the worst of the weather right now is taking place in Nebraska. And we just got reports of golf ball size hail. The public reported it. And this was in Thomas County, 5 miles southwest of Threadford. And again, this was reported at 3:06. So this happened just a few minutes ago. So where is okay? So it'll be this storm right here. This storm right here. Threadford County. Or no, Threadford. Just look at that storm. Very intense looking. The brighter colors, like the pink and stuff you see, that means there's some pretty large hail coming out of it. Just be safe. I'm always checking velocity since the greatest tornado threat could be up into Nebraska later today. And right now we're not seeing anything rotating, which is great news. All right, before I continue further here and go to Colorado, Utah, and Nevada, before we go over there real quick, let me see if we have anything in the chat. Again, if you guys have any questions, comments, stuff like that, feel free to say it in the chat. Again, I'm always monitoring that. Usually it'll take a minute or two to not look at it. And then we'll go back to it. New storm reports in Colorado for the Broomfield area. For winds up to 66 miles per hour. And that's about it. Strong thunderstorm. This is for Palm Beach County until 4:45 Eastern time. For pea-size hail and winds up to 40 miles per hour. All right. Hi, fam. Monster hail core. Yes, monster hail core indeed. Again, public reported golf ball size hail, which is crazy. I know, me too. I hope everyone stays safe. We drove through Oklahoma once, and the tornado sirens went off. Oh, wow. We stayed in Elko, Nevada for 3 months while my husband was working. It was snowing a lot, and it was very cold in Nevada. Yeah, I know many parts of Nevada, it snows quite a bit, especially, if I'm correct, there's some mountains in Nevada. Yeah, there is. It snows a lot in the mountains. All right, so again, we had a report of some gusty winds, and I don't even see why there's a severe thunderstorm warning for El Paso, Pueblo counties. I guess it says 60 mile per hour wind gusts. It must be very windy or something with these little storms that have developed. But, all right then. Okay, strong storm of alerts for north central Nile County until 4:45 Pacific time for Nye County. And this is in Nevada. Then we have another severe warning east of Colorado Springs for El Paso County, 60 mile per hour wind gusts, and almost 1-inch size hail. And here's a look at weather in Utah right now. We're tracking 2 strong storms, strong storm alerts for Ermey, Carbon, and Dungeon counties until 2:45 Mountain Time for winds up to 50 to 55 miles per hour. A new severe warning for White Pine County in Nevada. So let's go jump to Nevada here and take a look at that. There's currently 4 active severe warnings in Nevada right now. A new severe warning with a considerable tag in Nebraska for Blaine, Logan, and Thomas counties till 4 p.m. in Thomas area recently got baseball-sized hail. And we'll take a look at that in just a second. All right, severe warning for Nye and Eureka County in Nevada has been expired. Also, a severe warning for White Pine County was allowed to be expired. We still have a severe warning for White Pine and Elko counties until 1:30 Pacific time for nickel-sized hail. And that's all. We have 1 severe warning now in Nevada. And again, some strong storm alerts in northern sections of Nevada, some storms in Idaho, some storms in the southern part of the state right now. There's also a mesoscale discussing about a severe watch, a 5% chance. Wow. So a 5% chance of a severe watch getting issued for people in Nevada. Back into Nebraska, again, they've added a considerable tag of a severe warning in northern Nebraska. Looks like the storm that recently had up to baseball-sized hail, they've let the warning expire, so it must be weakening maybe. Okay, let's see here. Gusty showers will impact northeastern Douglas, southwestern Weld, western Absalom, Broomfield, Denver, northeastern Jefferson counties, and Colorado to 3 Mountain Time. Also, a new day 2 excessive rainfall outlook just came out. All right, severe warning for east central Cherry County, 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. For some reason I got a notification saying there was a considerable tag, and I don't see a considerable tag. All right. The National Weather Service in Vermont has updated the severe warning, and they have put 60-mile-per-hour winds and okay, a whole lot of updates just came out. Day 3 flood outlook has been updated now. So day 2, day 3 flood updates have been updated, or flood outlooks have now been updated. So again, severe warning has been canceled for Essex counties in New York, but they've continued the ones for Addison and Washington counties in Vermont until 4:45 Eastern time. And a tropical weather discussion has just been issued. Also, they've updated today's flood outlook. But you guys are hearing this correct. They just put out a tropical weather discussion. Let me read this. Tropical weather discussion for Eastern Pacific Ocean from 3:45. Okay. In the Gulf of California, equator. Okay. Tropical wave is located along. Okay. The monsoon trough extends. Okay. Offshore water of Mexico, subtropical ridge centered well west of Baja California, subwards mainly moderate northwest winds across the Baja California waters at 5 to 7 feet near Punta Elguena. Gentle winds and seas of 7 to 9 feet due to northwest swell prevail. Okay. There's nothing juicy about tropical discussions. Okay, new tropical discussion came out, but nothing too crazy. Alright, so nothing new in the tropic perspective. So I guess I just only threw out a discussion. So that's about it. Alright. Good to know. Alright, so there it is. New severe warning has a considerable tag for Logan, Blaine, and Thomas counties till 4 p.m. for hail up to golf ball size. Can't believe they let it expire, and then several months later they reissued it. And actually, I am beginning to notice a broad rotation with this storm here. I would not be surprised if a tornado warning were to get issued in Nebraska here in just a few minutes. We have some broad rotation right now, very strong type rotation. Severe warning has been issued for Blaine, Brown, and Cherry counties in Nebraska right now. So again, National Service needs to throw out a tornado warning maybe with this storm here. Again, beginning to see some tightening of rotation now in the Blaine County area. And our correlation coefficient is picking up on something trying to rotate right now. And nothing new just yet. But again, this is a developing situation that could be happening in Nebraska right now, where we were tracking a hook and there's some rotation. I'm going to wait for the next velocity scan here to see if the rotation still shows. Severe warning, El Paso, Pueblo counties in Colorado until 2:30. And new scan came in. Still seeing some pretty tight rotation with this. More than likely strong gusty winds though with this. Let's see if we have any locations included in the path of this. Highway 83 could be seeing some intense winds right now. Severe warning has been expired for Eureka and Nye counties. A strong storm alert's been issued for northeastern Chase, Hayes counties. Let's see, this is in, doesn't say what city or what state, but it's until 4 Central, 3 Mountain time. So again, beginning to see some intensifying rotation with this storm in Nebraska, so we'll have to see what they do. New storm reports up to 52-mile-per-hour winds in the Boulder County area. So, update on that. Zone 4. Okay, that's not my interest there. Again, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, feel free to say it in the chat. A new storm report. Thunderstorm wind gusts in Colorado. Up to 58-mile-per-hour winds. So that is at severe warning criteria. And now we're beginning to see some more storms getting going in southern parts of Nebraska now. So not just north central Nebraska, southern Nebraska now beginning to see some action. Strong storm alert for Denver, for mainly winds up to 55 miles per hour. Again, just outside Colorado Springs, we're getting reports of 58-mile-per-hour winds. And it gets storms that we are tracking 2 severe warnings in Nevada right now. These are mainly for strong winds and some hail for White Pine County. Severe warning has been issued for Denver, Colorado now. So let's make our way into Denver. Trying to take a second for it to pop up, probably. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Denver, Douglas, and Jefferson counties until 2:15. Just a second. Does Denver have its own county? It does. Okay. So Denver is now under a storm. This is for mainly winds up to 60 miles per hour, but there could be some nickel-sized hail with this storm. So just a heads up if you are in this. Oh, wow. Well, this is quite bad to say. In New York, in Maron County, 2 miles southwest of Hilton, there's been reports of thunderstorm wind damage at 2:21 Eastern Time. Tree from front lawn of house fell into power lines, wires down, power poles on fire. That is crazy. Let's go into New York now, and let's take a look at that. And Vermont. New special weather statements for Los Animas counties till 3:15 Mountain Time. This is in Colorado. So again, we have one strong storm that's produced very strong winds in New York, tracking 1 severe warning in Vermont. A zerb-sized hail up to $half size hail was reported in the Walton, Vermont area, and again, winds up to 60 miles per hour. And some storms in the Montreal area in Canada. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're tracking right now across portions of the country. Once again, if you guys have any comments, you may do that. Feel free to ask them. All right, strong storm or strong outflow for Altro, El Paso, Crowley, Pueblo counties until 2:45. Okay. And then a severe warning has been canceled for the White Pine, Nevada area. And it's 105 degrees where I live at in Texas right now. Dang. Let's see, it is 3:26. I got to do a weather update on KATX Plus, not on this, but on our TV app, and also on our website at 3:30. So I'll be in a different room doing an update on that, but we'll have the stream running on here still. A administrative message has been issued. Okay, never heard of that. A record event has been reported from MFL. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I might just have my camera left on, my microphone. Well, maybe no. Well, since my dog is going to bark, I might as well have my camera and mic off. Elko, White Pine counties, Nevada, have been canceled from a severe warning. So that's nice. All right. Grassland fire danger has been issued in the central time zone. All right. So again, I gotta do an. Okay. Alright, Chief Forecaster David here for Storm Team 5. Apologize, I was doing a live weather update on our KATX Plus platform with a Central and South Texas weather update, so I had to be right back for that, but I'm back now. Yeah, bad storms happen quite a bit in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. But we have so much rain recently that every single time it rained, I would be under a flash flood warning. But yeah, I bet it's hot. Yeah, it's hot in Nevada. Very hot. I'm in Central Texas. It's 105 degrees according to my weather station. So it is. It's hotter over there. It's like 110 over there. I'm just 5 degrees cooler than they are. All right. So we still have 2 severe warnings in Nebraska. There is rotation, but it's not super tight. 1 warning in Oregon. 3 warnings in Colorado. 1 warning in Vermont. And there's a mesoscale discussion about a new severe watch, 60% probability for Texas, so the Panhandle maybe. Looks like maybe nothing. Okay. All right. So once again, it's a hot one right now. Here's a look at temperatures across the state, or across the country, I should say. As it takes forever to pop up. Whew. Goodness gracious. 107 in Arizona, 105 in Las Vegas, 105 in Phoenix, hundreds into Texas as well, hundreds in California. Wow. So again, it is a very hot one right now across the United States, or across the South Central, or southern parts of the United States. So let's see here. It is 3:45. So that gives me about 15 minutes to update, or we'll get ready for KATX newscast on our TV station. So I will end off things on our Storm Team 5 YouTube and X page, and I will return if I have to, but I probably won't. I'll be back tomorrow, maybe. Probably not. Probably Monday or Tuesday I'll come back, but it'll be more local weather probably. All right, take care. Have a great afternoon, and have an amazing one. Stay safe.